People harm their environment many ways. People cut down trees, add harmful waste materials to their environment, add chemicals to water, release poisonous gases to air. Most of the people throw garbage on their environment. In savages, waste of water. It can be purified by water treatment plants. In Sri Lanka, our country has water treatment plants.
After modernization of the world, people discovered many things that make their lives easier. Discovering plastic is a celebration to man, but not for the entire world. You all may know many animals die because eating plastic waste. Most of people use plastic materials for short period of time. After use, they burn or bury them without thinking of the consequences it may cause in future. In present, we all suffer from the things we made to carry our lives easier. After the COVID-19 is spread all over the world, even most developed countries can't stand a chance to stand above the nature. So at last request, please don't do the things that nature hates, like using plastic irresponsible manner. Thank you.
Not usually people do rubbish. There are ways and methods to dispose garbage in our country. Garbage is collected by the municipal council too. Some people make money out of waste materials.
Sometimes people cut down trees.
As school children, we can contribute in many ways to save our environment. We can have tree planting campaigns and keep our environment clean. We can do soil conservation activities too.
We can recycle polythene, plastic, glass and paper.
Clean environment is the best way to live a healthy life. If we are free from diseases, we can engage in our daily activities easily. So, everybody needs a clean environment to live in.
We grow lots of plants in our home garden. Soil conservation is nicely done there. We make compost by using kitchen waste and plant debris. So we keep our environment nice and clean. When we go shopping, we use reusable bags. So we can cut down polythene usage.
Our slogan is Let's Go Green Together.